Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create and customize a store on Shopify, about digital planners and calendars, business easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their product. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now we can just skip this if you want. I'm gonna just skip this and let's continue. After you choose an account, you're gonna wait a few seconds for creating the store and or your the account. So the first thing you have to do is go to the online store and go to the themes. So now you can change the themes and customize them as you like. So here you can change any theme you want. You can select any theme. I'm gonna just skip this theme, the down theme. Just click if you wanna select any theme. Click here and wait to install the theme. After this, you can customize it and it will take you to your homepage store. So first of all, here we have the size of your homepage. Here we have the desktop style, the mobile style, and the full screen style. So I'm gonna just skip it like this, the desktop site. So here this is the settings where you can design your site, and here we have we have the header, the announcement bar. Here you can change the color scheme. You can show separator line. Also you can show icons on desktop. You can turn this on or to reach announcements. Here you can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's move on to the announcements. So you can change the text. You can pass a link or search for something you want. For example, I'm going to just select all collections. So that's it. Now let's move on to the header. So here you can change the desktop logo position. You can change the main menu. Also you can change the desktop menu type. You can change the sticky header. Here you can show separator line. You can edit the mobile layout, the mobile logo position. You can edit the spacing, the section padding, the top and the bottom. So that's it. If you want to edit the same settings, here you can enable search suggestions. You can change the card type. Here you can put your social media links if you want to add your jewelry link or Facebook or Pinterest or whatever you want to add here. So that's it. Now let's move on to the logo. So the logo, you have to upload it from your library or you have to select it from your library. So just for example, let's search on it on the browser. Digital planners and calendars. So for example, you can choose from here this just for example. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. This is your logo right now. You can edit it at any time you want. You can change it. Here this is the vertical offset. You can edit it. Also you can edit the desktop logo width. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the image banner section. So here you have two images. You can select the first image from the browser and the second image you can select it from your library. So for example, let's select the first image from here from Google. So for example, I'm gonna choose something from here. For example, this. Second image you can edit it from your library or from free image. Here you can edit the image overlay opacity. You can change the banner height. Also you can change the desktop content position. You can show container on desktop. You can change the desktop content alignment. You can edit the animations, the image behavior. Also, you can change the mobile content alignment. You can turn this on, stack image on mobile. You can show container on this on mobile. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the heading of the image banner. So here you can generate the text. Just describe what this text is about. Describe here, for example, digital planners and calendars, like this. So for example, you can choose whatever you want from here. Here you can change the heading size. So let's get back and let's move on to the buttons. So here you can change the first button label. Also you can change the first button link, whatever you want. Here you can use outline button style. If you already add the second image, here you can add the second button label and the second button link, and also you can use outline button style. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, the future collection section. Also here you can generate the text on the heading. Just describe what this text is about. So here you can choose one of these suggestions. You can choose the heading size, also the description. You can just describe what this text is about. You can change the text, the form of the text. Here you can show collection description from the admin. You can change the description style. You can change the collection or create your own collection. Here you can make products full width. You can enable view all if collection has more product than shown. Here you can, if you wanna change view all style, if you wanna enable carousel on desktop, you can edit the product card, the image ratio and the image shape. You can enable quick add button. Also you can enable swipe on mobile. So that's it. If you want to add something new on your home page, click here and select what kind of section you want to add on your home page from here. So that's it. Let's move over to the last section on the website, the last section, the footer section. So here you can change the color scheme. You can edit the image sign up settings. Here you can edit, you can show image sign up, you can generate the heading. Also you can enable follow on shop, you can show social media icons. So that's it. After you're done from designing this home page, you can just save this. And after this, let's get back and example, let's name your store. If you already add your first product and customize your online store, now you can just go to the settings of the store and you can name it here. So you can type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone. And also here you can change your store email or add your email. So that's it. Now let's save this. After you're done from customizing your websites, all you have to do now is launch your online store and publish it. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your store on Shopify for digital planners and calendars. Business isn't quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.